this video, I'll show you how to make a watermark in CapCut PC. Go to the Text tab and add default text to the timeline. On the right side, enter your desired text and customize the text style. Next, click Blend and change the opacity to around 50%. Now your video has a simple watermark. You can also click Save as Preset to use this watermark for future videos or projects. Additionally, you can go to the Animation tab to add your preferred animation effects. That's it. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.